Wasn't going to do this for this bowl, but I'm going to do this. I'm going to hit this with some Yorkshire grit and Hampshire sheen, but just to save time, I'm going to do that off camera and get back to the rest of the stuff.
Okay, got it reversed around. I cannot believe I'm using such a beautiful piece of wood for this. But I am.
Let's see if I can make this look like it's going to make some sense. Got a little bit of 3/8 hose here, inside dimension. And this is the innards of a small pen that fits nicely inside that hole. This line here is where the projectile bottoms out, more or less, a little low. And then that's the thickness of the bowl. Now what I want to do inside the bowl is I want to have a 90-degree angle coming off so that the tube can come out the side. And so I'm just going to mark for the length of that, which is, go about here. That way the 90 can butt right up against the little pen insert that I put in there.
Oh.
Okay, so now I have my little tube with the rocket bottoming out. Put it in, turn it over, and I'll put my 90 on there. Probably don't have to do this inside here. Like this. There. Good. That'll work well, I think. Now, as you can see, inside there, just going to take my other end of the tube, the hose, shove it in there. There we go. So now, what we have is a little Stomp rocket launcher. Stomp rocket launcher. There we go. A little tight, a little snug. I might have to sand that down, but we'll see. Maybe the pressure will help. Now I'm just using the same bit that I used to drill the hole for the hose to go through here, to go through a cap for a bottle of soda or whatever you want to call it. Okay. There we go. Nice tight fit. I'm still going to wrap some tape around there just to make sure it's a good fit. Let's see. There we go. Good. Alright. I'm going to tape that together. I'm going to tape the lid on, and then we'll come back and see how it looks. First thing I wanted to do was wrap the inside tape, wrap the inside part of the hose with tape so that I can push this up against it. And this should create a nice, it may not be watertight, but it'll be airtight enough, I think, to create enough back pressure that we'll be able to launch this little wooden rocket. There we go. And now to keep the pressure of stomping from blowing the cap right off, I'm actually going to wrap the cap with some electrical tape as well. Just a couple wraps, doesn't need to be much, just to hold it on there. Come around all the way up to the hose here. Alright. Lovely. Ready for the inaugural flight. I still have to put some fins on here, but I just want to make sure that this particular rocket is going to work, or if I need to sand it or fix it in any way. Let's see if we can get it to shoot. Alright. Ready to launch.
3.
Oh. Alright. Too tight. Rocket launch in 3,
2.
Okay, gonna try that one more time. All the way up to the ceiling and hits the vent work. Nice. Alright, as you can see, I've added some wings to the rocket body. It's not really going to make much of a difference in here, I don't think, because, well, it can only go as far as the ceiling. And I'm not taking it outside, it's too cold, I think, but let's give this a launch. Right back to me. There you go. A wood-turned rocket. I may not have the biggest button, but my button's the awesomest. Smooth.